In last video, we loaded the COVID data into Power BI, and now we want to add more attributes from the internet. For example, this one is from Wikipedia. We get the population for each province here. So we want this table join our data set. So first thing we need is URL. Copy that, go back to your Power BI, get data from web. And we have simple way, the basic way, and advanced way. Advanced way can help us do some more advanced web scraping, like AWS something. But for here, we just do the simple one here. Just take a few seconds, it will load that page and give you the data here. And we can look at these tables here. For example, let's say this one. This is what we want. And others, you can also see. If you don't like the first one, you can check others. But for here, we just want the first one. Let's check it. And notice we have an extra row here. We want to delete that. Transform data. So, because this one, we have two options to remove this row. The first one is because the first row has null. We can choose remove the null. Is the first way. Or we can go to the remove rows. We can remove the top rows. Let's say the first one row. It's gone. And we don't want the Canada neither. So let's remove the last row. Okay, now it's clean. And another problem is we don't want to add data. We know that we can choose these two columns and remove other columns here. Okay, and before we continue, we need another thing. So we need to transform this data into, because we have the abbreviation for province in our table, so we want to get that one as well. So let's convert that. There are several ways to convert the province name to the abbreviation. One, the easiest way would be you find another table, contains the name and the abbreviation, and link to here, do the same thing. Consider we just have like 12 province here, so it's easy to rewrite. I won't just do the hard coding here. So the way to do it is right click and replace values. So you want, for example, let's say Ontario to ON. Now you can see the Ontario becomes ON. Then let's do all of them. Another way to do it is you can click this cell and right click, change value, replace value. So we don't have to search type Quebec again. So that's an easy way to do this. So then we just need to finish all those. Okay, now we changed all the province into the abbreviation. And another thing is you can find the type of the second column is text. We want it to be number. Right click, change type to whole number. Now it becomes to number. So let's do save and close and apply. And after this, we will get two tables. One with 7 columns, another one with 2 columns. So we can do some simple exploration here. For example, let's do a matrix here. And we can put the province into the rows, the population into the values. Then we get the table. We can also add the number of cases as another value and choose sum as aggregation. then we can do this. And we will talk about how to calculate the percentage in the next video.